Hi everyone. Today I came up with a new tool called as a scalping tool. So basically, what's the specialty of this tool is most of the users are asking if there is any possibility to place order directly in Zerodha from the web browser. So most of the people are using NextTrader or MT4 or getting tied up with broker, all those things, and they're facing big difficulty in using those tools because the interface will be different from Zerodha's interface, and if they want to navigate between multiple applications, they're facing big difficulty there. So I came up with this tool. This is integrated with Zerodha Web, which is a Kite application. So how this tool works is it's totally integrated into the Zerodha Kite application. Suppose if you see that this is the tool basically, this window. From here, you'll place orders directly into the Zerodha. This is kind of replacement for bracket orders. We can say that. So how this works is whenever you select a new stock, suppose if you want to stock trade on SBI Bank Nifty, you can select that stock. So those details directly get updated into the tool. So it's picking up State Bank of India target as one, and then stock type is NSE and quantity is one. So why this tool is basically if you are a positional trader or intraday trader, and in between if you find something interesting and sees that we can quickly grab some small amount from the trade, then you can use this tool to place those orders. You'll have a fixed target which can be edited by yourself and place the order so that it will place both the main order as well as the target order immediately, so that it helps you in quickly scalp the market. So suppose as I said, I selected SBA, so it automatically builds. Same if you select Bank Nifty future, it automatically picks up the stock target as 25, because average movement ATR can be kept as 25, and quantity as single lot will be 20. Single lot is equals to 25 quantity, so it automatically selected this. Suppose if you take uh, crude oil, again it's one. If you take Adani ports, it automatically changes the quantity to 22,500, sorry, 2,500, and the target as one. This can be edited. Suppose if you want to keep the target as 3 rupees, and you can update it and place the order immediately. Okay, same way if you take a USD INR, again the target is 0.01 pips. Okay, quantity is one. Again, if you want to change it to 100, you can change it. Okay, so for options, again a Bank Nifty options weekly, what I did is a target is 10 and quantity is 25. If you want to change it to 250 and place quickly order, and you can do it directly. So this is automatic. Basically by default it will be an automatic. So whenever you change here, it automatically picks up the stock. So suppose if you want to look into the Nifty bank index and want to place order in the options, we can do it by selecting the manual. So if you select manual, what happens is it will freeze the inputs. So now I selected Nifty bank, so it picked up, but if you place order, it will fail. So instead of that, what you can do is you can click on the auto, then again it will start picking up whatever you select. So I'm selecting as 31,300 p stock, so it got updated. Now I am locking it to manual, so this will be fixed. So whatever you stock you select, it doesn't change. Okay, when you click on the buy button, order will be placed on that, even though if you select index option. Okay, same if you click on SBA also, it will still place the order in a Bank Nifty 31,300 p option. Okay, so that's how it works. So let me quickly go to the Nifty Bank. Okay, let me quickly adjust it to 1 minute, and let me start it. So let me place the order now. So we place the order. It will automatically navigate to positions. can go and check to the orders. I've let this order random, so let me exit quickly. First, we need to clear pending order and go to the positions and exit the exit order. So we exited now. So the same details get updated here. Let me expand this and show you. So it placed the order with the average price of 251 rupees and target order of 261 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees difference within 0.2 seconds, and this target can be manually adjusted later if you want to change. So let's see how to use this tool. You will get all these files. First, you need to run chrome underscore custom.bat. What this will do is it will open a browser. For this tool, we don't need any APIs or any subscription. All you need to do is log into your Zerodha account using a web browser. Later, we need to run this .exe file. This will open a CMD or a black window. Initially, for a very first time, it will take some time to run. You need to wait till it runs. It will then prompt you a welcome message. So what it's doing in the background, it is querying all the stocks quantity, minimum quantity. Right? Once it's ready, it will show you